Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to assemble a budget gaming PC. In this build, I will be using the 10th generation Core i5-10400 processor from Intel, mounted to a MAG B460M Mortar Wi-Fi motherboard from MSI, a GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card also from MSI. For the RAM, it's the 8GB by 2 3200MHz CrushX RGB from Cleve. Powering up the system is the semi-modular 600 watts 80 plus bronze certified from Thermaltake. For the storage, a 240GB SSD from Kingston and a 1TB Seagate hard disk drive. For the case, it's the Coolman RGB, cooled by 6 DR12 Pro RGB fans with remote control from Dark Flash. And lastly, the Ares RGB mechanical gaming keyboard and Magnum RGB.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in